it's TxStampin Sharon. I am so happy that you have joined me today, and I have 3 cards that I'm going to share with you. If you're new to my channel, I want to welcome you. If you currently do not have a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, I would be honored to assist you with your Stampin' Up! Supply needs. You can find how to contact me, my website, all of that in the description box below. Just click that Read More button. Speaking of buttons, if you've not already subscribed to my channel, you can do that while you're there too. And then hit that notification bell. You'll be notified every time I upload a video. Let's get started. I decided to use the stamp set Forever Blossoms. It's a beautiful set, simple coloring, but I wanted a certain sentiment and I found it. You mean so much to me. Sending a lot of cards lately and I just wanted that sentiment. So this was the stamp set. I'm using Smoky Slate for my ink. I have my card pieces all cut. My Whisper White layer is 5.5 by 8.5, scored and folded at 4 1/4. I have a sentiment layer that is tiny. It is 1/2 inch by 3 inches. It is 3/4 inch by 3 1/4. That's kind of tricky. I have a layer of shimmery white that I cut down. It is 3 3/4 by 5. And then I have a piece of that beautiful Flourish, Parisian Flourish Designer Series paper. Can you just see the silver in there? It's actually more champagne, but it's still very close. And then I have a layer of Petal Pink that is 4 inches by 5 1/4. Since it's a large stamp, I like to ink these up upside down. And I'm going to stamp that more to the, I'm going to stamp this to the left of my cardstock. I'm going to use my aqua painter and just get a little bit of color on there. I just want softness. I don't want it too dark. You could use a Stampin' Right marker if you wanted to. A little bit goes a long way. Wipe off my tip. Next, I'm going to bring in the darker of the Petal Pink Stampin' Blend, and I'm just going to add a little bit of color. Next, I want to add this Designer Series paper with some snail to the side of the card. You know, this Designer Series paper is so pretty, and the cards that I made, I didn't use much of the Designer Series paper, so makes the paper go further. Next, I'm going to pull in some of the white ribbon that has the silver metallic edge. I'm just going to place that like that, and then just cut a little bit. So it ends up being about 6 inches. I don't know. We're going to wrap that ribbon around. And then I like to always add some snail to that ribbon so it doesn't lift up. We're going to add this to our Petal Pink layer. Like that. And then I want to bring in the ribbon again, and I'm just going to go underneath. I always like to leave it on the bolt so that I don't waste any of it. And now we're going to add this to our card base. Next, we're going to stamp our sentiment layer. And like I said, this is a skinny piece of paper. Sure hope I didn't get my head in the camera. I tried not to. All right, so we're going to add this to our silver foil. So I have 2 more cards to share with you. And I did them all basically the same, but they're so different. I love that idea that you can kind of use the same layouts. I did change up one a little bit more than the others. But yeah, they all look different. And I love that. So we're going to bring our card back in. And I'm just going to place this kind of centered right about there. Okay, there you go. Now let me show you the other cards. How about this one? I did some embossing with that beautiful embossing folder that comes in the Parisian suite. I think it's called Flourish. And then on this one, it's really very close to the same, but I added Wink of Stella and rhinestones to this one, Wink of Stella and pearls to this one. So this one needs a Wink of Stella as well. And I can't decide, do I want pearls on this one or do I want rhinestones? I think we're going to go with the rhinestones. And now I have 3 cards to send to 3 special friends. I sure hope I've inspired you. A stamp set, a little bit of designer series paper, Wink of Stella, and some bling. Happy stamping, y'all!